Okay, today we're going to be looking at rate. It says, how can you find the rates and unit rate? Unit rate means if I buy 5 shirts, the unit is 1 shirt. So you find the price of 1 shirt, and then you can get the rate, figure the rates of if you buy them all. So it says, connect, you know how to write ratios to compare 2 quantities. A rate is a ratio that compares 2 quantities that have different units of measure. So far we've only compared like things. Now we're going to compare dollars to shirts or food to dollars or things like that. What are the, a unit rate is a rate that has 1 unit as its second term. Raphael is shopping at a used bookstore and music store. A sign advertises 4 CDs for $12. What is the unit rate for the cost of 1 CD? Let's look at the little gray box up to the top. It says, what are the units of the quantities that are being compared? Where we're comparing dollars to CDs. What operation can you use to write equivalent ratios? We can use multiplication, and we can also use division. Write the rate in fraction form. Just like we can write our ratios in fraction form, we can write these in fraction form. So for $12, you can get 4 CDs. Divide to find an equivalent rate so that 1 is the second term. So what would we have to divide 4 by to get 1? Well, we would have to divide both of those by 4. And 12 divided by 4 is 3. And 4 divided by 4 is 1. So the unit rate for CDs is $3 for 1 CD. Don't forget that the top number here is dollars. So the unit rate for CDs is $3 for 1 CD. What if the regular price of CDs is 5 for $20? What is the unit rate for CDs at the regular price? So I'm going to take my $20 over 5, divide each of those by 5 to get 1 in my denominator, which 20 divided by 5 is 4, and 5 divided by 5 is 1, and that gives me $4. So $4 is the unit rate for 1 CD. So $4 for 1 CD. Okay, find the unit rate of speed for 120 miles in 2 hours. So you have 120, and you're going to go 2 hours. You're going to take 120. You're going to divide it and 2, because we want this to be 1. So I have to divide by 2. 2 goes into 120 60 times. 2 goes into 2 once. So the unit rate is 60 miles per hour. Okay, so the next one is $5 for 2 t-shirts. So I have $5 over 2 t-shirts. Again, I'm going to divide so that I get a 1 over here. What am I going to divide by? 2 over 2. Okay, so 2 goes into 5. Leaves us 1. We bring down our 0. We have our decimal up here. 2 goes into 10 5 times. leaves us 0. So we have 250 over 1. So our unit rate is $2.50 per t-shirt. Okay. Number 3, we have 200 words over 4 minutes. We're going to divide by 4. 4 goes into 250 times and once there. So our unit rate is 50 words per minute. And then we have miles into gallons of gas. How far? 150 miles on 10 gallons of gas. So 150 over 10. We're going to divide by 10 because we want this to equal 1. And 10 goes into 150 15 times. So we get 15 miles per gallon. Okay. Down here, you're going to have per tire, miles per gallon, and people per square mile. And this one is per hour. And it needs a $sign. And this one will need a $sign, and this one will need a $sign. Well, actually, that one won't need a $sign because all you're doing is writing so write the rate in fraction form. So all you're doing is putting it into a form like that on 5, 6, and 7.